Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a interesting ad, to say the least. It's an original cardboard ad that we framed for Between the Acts Little Cigars, the gift that will always please him. I'll let you go ahead and please comment. The person that has the best comment on there gets a free Mantiques Network t-shirt. So anyways, if you are into cigarette advertising, any kind of vices, or just good vintage ad with something that makes people chuckle, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.